Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Canio, and this is my May CEO message. Well, I don't need to tell you, the school year is coming to an end. It's a particularly busy time for us at Learn. We have quite a few things going on. We're building a new website. That should be up and operational hopefully by the end of June, no later than the beginning of the new school year, but hopefully before that. We also have our tutoring that's going full tilt. Work on the digital competency site is coming along as well. The I Belong program is happening. Good Night Bag. I can go on and on. There are just so many amazing things to do. We are moving into our new building officially June 2nd. So that's exciting. A lot of work just involved in getting everything in place. We're going to have an open house probably sometime in September or October once everything's settled in and people are back to work. I just wanted to maybe focus on something that keeps coming up and a little story to accompany it. When I was back in the public sector and in my early mid-40s, my business partner said to me, Michael, I'm too old to learn anything. I'm not going to take any more courses. I don't need anything anyway, and I kind of know it all, which he didn't quite say it that way, but you know, he was just too old to learn, and he was my age, roughly 45 at that time. And I thought about him recently because he unfortunately passed away, and realized that as I'm spending all kinds of time these days training my 5.5-month-old puppy, who just happens to be right here. This is Noi. It takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy, both on his part and on mine, to learn. Learning is not necessarily an easy thing to do, but it's something that's really, really important that we do. We have to start young and we have to continue. We're never too young and we're never too old to start learning. But as I said, the primary thing is that it requires effort and it is a challenge. As we head into the summer break, after all of the exams and so on and so forth, I hope that you'll take the time to maybe find something to stir your interest and your passion, pick up a new hobby. Don't ever stop learning. That's just my recommendation to you. I picked up the guitar for the first time last year, and I'm slowly but surely learning. Let's emphasis on slowly, but I'm learning. I'm moving forward with it, and it's exciting. So lifelong learning is not just a term. It's a mindset. It's something that I encourage you all to engage in, and regardless whether you're 5.5 months old, right, Noi? Say hello. Because if I don't get you in there, I'm going to get comments saying, "How come you didn't include Noi in the video?" So 5.5 months old or as old as I am, hang in there, keep learning, and don't forget to go to our website to take a look at what's happening and get an overview of all the activities that are happening at Learn. Thanks to all. Stay healthy and be well. Bye now.